Ah.
I'm telling you. Oh, wrong hand. Right hand. I'll punch you, dude.
See, Elias actually does the finger pointing. He's pointing at somebody. Oh, he just pointed at me, guys. Oh, something will break.
I don't know why I picked it. It was on me. I take full blame on this.
My only question is, what if your daddies can see you now?
I said I'm having fun and whatever.
I'm gonna say stay without you.
But isn't that gave me something?
Yeah, no.